Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So if you've seen my recent Instagram post, you'll be already known that my channel has reached 100 plus subscribers. I would like to thank all those subscribers for supporting me in this journey so far. And to all those who are new and watching my video for the first time, please watch the entire video. And if you do like the content, please subscribe to my channel. And also be tuned to my Instagram post as well. So, in this today's vlog, I'm going to talk about how to maintain your motorcycle chain, how to clean and lubricate the chain. Also, what are those things that you require to wash your bike properly and don't leave any scratches behind. So this is all you need to do the maintenance. Before you do the chain cleaning and lubrication, always wash your bike. Use a high pressure nozzle to clean the chain first. I use a 3M car washing shampoo to wash my bike. Yes, it can be used for a bike as well. I also use a microfiber cloth, and this one that I use I purchased from Amazon and it is from Softspun. I'll put the links in the description if you want to purchase. And in order to rotate the rear wheel, I use a screw jack which is by Explore. So this rubber padding can be used for trying to firmly press your screw jack on the ground like this. And the other one that and the other padding that I have is for trying to have a good grip on the side stand. Okay, coming next, I have the chain cleaning brush. So this effectively will get it about 80 rupees on Amazon. And with that, I have also got this front brake tightener, so that the bike doesn't move whenever you are rotating the wheel. Then I have a sponge. So this I use for washing my bike, and it's very much effective to rub the dust and all. It will not leave any scratches as well. So along with microfiber, the combination works the best. And this is the Motul chain cleaner that I showed in my last video. You will get it for about 200 rupees on Amazon. This is the 140 ml, I think so. And lastly, this is the chain lubricant. This is from BMW and I got it from the last servicing that I've done. Okay, so let's proceed with the cleaning and lubrication. So first, before you start with the cleaning, always try to fix your side stand properly onto the ground. This rubber padding will help and will ensure that your bike doesn't move. If the surface doesn't have enough friction, so this will give efficient and good friction so that your bike can be pushed and the rear wheel can be raised. Next, try to tighten the front brake with this particular adjustment. See that it is firmly tightened and your bike doesn't go ahead, otherwise it might result in a crash. So nextly, try to rotate your wheel on the left. This will give you enough leverage to raise your bike and it will not move. So then plant the screw jack onto the rear wheel chassis as I'm doing here. The side on the teeth will be attached to the ground and use rubber padding so that you get a good friction. Try to use your right hand to push the rear wheel upwards and then try to spray the chain with the Motul chain cleaner. Try to not use too much of chain cleaner Since I was doing too much of off-roading, I thought of using it a little more as the chain was quite dusty. So once you've cleaned the one side of it, you can rotate the wheel and try to see that you cover all the sides of the chain. Then wait for a few minutes and use the chain cleaning brush that I showed you and clean the chain. You can try to use different sides of the brush so that you clean and use most of it. So once you've done the cleaning, use the chain lubricant. Try to spray. Ensure that you don't spray a lot of amount because that will be a waste. So once you've done the lubrication, try to release the jack in this way. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this has been helpful. Take care.